Alright, so what you're going to do, you go to Library, Tools, find Skyrim Creation Kit. I have it favorited now, so it's easier to find. Install. Next, it's a very small install. Finish. Once it's done, you launch it, wait for this. Then you're going to go check Skyrim ESM and the update ESM. And then wait for that. There's going to be some error boxes, I think. I haven't done this in a while, but I'm pretty sure there's going to be some error boxes. You can just hit yes to all on. It's nothing important. This will take a minute to load though. Yep. Yes to all. Still loading. Alright, so here we are. So, in order to, okay, so, here in the all section, we're just, I'm gonna make like a better potato, so, find the potato, then the food potato, right click, duplicate, then here we have the duplicate. So here we can go in and change its thing. So this is the food itself. You can change the weight here. I'll make it weightless. And here we just click edit to, edit for on that. And then we can change its effects. So restore health, and then you can change the magnitude, which will be how much health it restores. So make it restore 10 health. And then new to add a new thing, so type food to start getting to the food section. We'll go with, I guess, restore stamina 100, and then rename it. Let's call it endurance potato. Oh no, I'm okay. And then once we have the ID changed to whatever you'd like to change it to, because that's how you'll find it in these windows over here by searching. Then we can change how much it's worth, so let's make it worth 50. This is the automatic, or the automatically recommended cost for each individual thing it does. So auto calculate, it'll add these two to 130, but I'll just make it 50. It's a food item. So then create a new form. Yes. Delete the duplicate. And then here we go. And then I believe the next thing we do is recipe. Yeah, let's look up soup. And then here's a recipe. So duplicate. Let me make this longer so I can see which one's the duplicate. This is the duplicate. So here we have the ingredients. Delete, delete, delete. So this is how we add something new. So we could use ale in it. I'm personally not going to do that though, since it's an endurance potato. I'll make it 15 potatoes. So 15 food potato will give us it'll create a singular endurance potato. This is where it'll have to be crafted. And then here we scroll down to our, up to our endurance potato. just type END. Here we have endurance potato. And then click OK and yes. And then delete that because we don't need that anymore. And then endurance. Here we have the endurance potato food item and the endurance potato recipe. So I believe no, we don't need to do this. Alright, so the next thing we do is file, save, and then Skyrim data, okay. Save it, and then just call it Endurance Potato. It'll save as an ESP, Elder Scrolls plugin, save, and then we can go ahead and launch Skyrim. There is not a way to do that from in here, so let's do that here. And since we don't need the script extender for it, we can just launch normally. Here's the Endurance Potato ESP. Hit OK, play. Hoping this is recording. So then I'll just hit continue. I'm aware that there's mods. I don't need the mods though, because I'm just not going to save. Fuck. Alright, well, what you would do from this point on is you would just go into the game, collect 15 potatoes, go to a cooking pot, and the recipe should be in there. Beyond that, oh yeah, to get it through the console, you would just type help space endurance, and then that would show everything with the word endurance in it, and then you would do player.add-item space, and then whatever the ID is, so that'll be like 000 ABXY3 or something like that, just that little ID. I think it's like 7 digits long, and then you type space after that, and then you type the quantity of how many you'd like. I think that's everything. I apologize for the low quality of my advice. I think that's it. So, hopefully this helps. Sorry it took so long. Have a nice day.